Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Situated along the South Thompson River, the neighborhood of Dallas lies on the eastern edge of Kamloops. Framed by rolling hills and open skies, Dallas combines residential living with a strong sense of space and connection to the surrounding landscape. Its location along a key transportation route has helped shape its identity as both a community and a gateway into the city from the east. Dallas itself was a relatively rural area for much of its early history, with development picking up in the mid to late 20th century as Kamloops expanded outward. The construction and improvement of the Trans-Canada Highway made the area more accessible, encouraging residential growth and small-scale commercial activity. Over time, Dallas evolved into a distinct neighborhood with schools, parks, and community services that support a growing population. The landscape around Dallas is typical of British Columbia's interior, with dry grasslands, scattered trees, and a semi-arid climate. Summers are often hot and sunny, while winters tend to be relatively moderate compared to other parts of Canada. The proximity to the South Thompson River adds to the area's appeal, offering scenic views and opportunities for outdoor recreation throughout the year. Long before modern development, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people, who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The surrounding hills and valleys provided hunting grounds and travel routes, while the nearby rivers supported fishing and trade. The arrival of European fur traders in the early 19th century, including those working for the Hudson's Bay Company, marked the beginning of major changes to the region's way of life. Kamloops itself began to take shape in the early 1800s as a trading post and transportation hub, thanks to its strategic location at the confluence of the North and South Thompson Rivers. By the late 1800s, the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway transformed the area into a key link between the coast and the interior. This period of growth laid the foundation for the city that would eventually expand into surrounding hillsides. Thank you for joining us on the drive in Kamloops, British Columbia.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!